Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel where we are presenting mathematics lessons. In this lesson, we are trying to solve some equations involving indices. Okay? Alright? So, in this presentation, we have two questions. Okay? These questions are meant for you to revise as a way of revising. Okay? So let's see how we can crack these two. Okay, so here we have to solve for x. By solving for x, we need to know what x is. Okay, so now what we are going to do here is to look at the variable that we are looking for. So the variable that we are looking for is an index, meaning that where possible we can make the bases to be the same. Okay, now because I have the 3 here, okay? Because I have the 3 here, I might think of a way of introducing this to have a 3. So maybe we might say, this is the 3 to the x, to the power x, multiplied by, alright? 1 over 3 to the power 2, and the answer must be 1. Okay, so we are going to get rid of this part if it's possible. Okay, because our interest is this, so we can try to divide the whole lot of this question by 1 divided by 3 to the power 2, even here 1 divided by 3 to the power 2, that one can also wait. Alright, what that means that these two divide, so you have got 3 to the x is equal to 1, so here we can introduce a multiplication sign, alright, 1 by, so when you introduce a multiplication sign you get the reciprocal. Okay, maybe let me explain one thing here so that it is very clear. So if you have 1, you have divided by 1 divided by 3 to the power 2. So this will be 1 multiplied by 3 to the power 2 over 1. Okay, that's what we are saying here. So we say multiplied by 3 to the power 2 over 1. This will be 3 to the x is equal to 3 to the power 2. Because the bases are the same, we equate the exponents. So x will be 2, and that is our answer. I hope that helps. Okay. Okay, so that's our answer. Alternatively, we can say we can say, since we already have our base here as 3, okay, we might think of a way of introducing a 3 here and a 3. Okay? So when you look at that, we can have 1 over 3 to the power 2 first, because that is 9. 3 to the power 2 is 9. This will be equal to, so how can we have a 1 if our base is a 3? So if we put our base 3 and we want to have 1, then here it must be 0, because any number to the power 0 apart from 0 itself is a 1. Alright? Then we can remember our index is to have 3 as our base. So we can interpret this as an index, an inverse. So we have 3 to the x times 3 to the power -2. Because 1 over 3 is the same as 3 to the power -1. Right? So that's that. So here we are going to have 3 to the power 0. Okay? So now, for 3, here we are saying 3 is equal to 0. Now the base here is the same. 3, 3, 3, 3 throughout. So we can equate the exponents. Okay, well the 3, 3, 3. So it means you equate the exponents there. Alright? So we are going to say xc, alright, minus 2, the answer is 0. Again, remember we said when we are multiplying the same base, you add the powers. So maybe we can even do it that way so that it even makes our job easy. So we can have 3 xc minus 2. Okay? Because when you add this, it will give you that. Then the answer is what? 3 to the power 0. So now, since the bases are the same, then you get this. So we have x minus 2 is equal to 0. This will imply that x is equal to 2. I think even that one can help. Alright? Okay, so let's try this other problem. Okay, so we are saying this is negative 6. Okay, so this is negative 6. So we can get rid of a 2 here, there's no problem. So you have 2x to the power 0.5 is equal to negative 6. We can divide through by 2. Here, there's no problem. Okay, so we're going to have x. So 0.5 is the same as half. Okay, same as half is equal to negative 3. Alright, so remember now my index here is unknown. I mean my base is unknown here. So we must get rid of the power here. Okay? You multiply this by its reciprocal. The reciprocal is a 2 here. Alright? Here take note. Take note here. Okay. It's like it's power 1. Alright? Take note here. It's like it's power 1 there. Because negative 3 to the power 1 is negative 3. So now I'll multiply by 2 here. Okay, so we can do that. So this will mean that x is equal to negative 3 to the power 2. Then x must be what? Must be 9. Alright? Meaning that when you put x here, the answer must be negative 9. So you must be careful to test here. If you want, you can check. Okay? So what you're saying is, if we want to... Okay, so here, take note the answer is negative 6. So we can try to take out x to be 9. So we have 2x, where is x we can put 9, because our x is 9. So 2, open bracket, 9 to the power half, okay, is equal to negative 6. Means that this will be 2, the square root of 9 is equal to what? Negative 6. That is 2 times. Alright? What is the square root of 9? The square root of 9 is plus or minus what? 6. 3. Okay, so is equal to negative 6. So when you multiply this, you get negative 6. In this case, the value that will hold here is negative 3. So 2 by negative 3 is that. In this case, we discard a positive for you to be able to arrive at that. Okay, so the answer here is correct. X is 9. I hope that is clear. Sometimes you need to take time. No, sometimes questions are a bit technical. You need to relax, be calm, and see what you are. Otherwise, you can easily make an error. Thanks so much.